What's up, guys? So back with another video here. I should have shot this a while ago. I just haven't had time and I've been busy. But these are the new RhinoShield cases. You may or may not have seen them before. They're called SolidSuit. These are going to be for the Galaxy S9 Plus. They range from $24.99 to $34. Being this is the carbon one. This one is $34. I'm going to drop the links all down below. These are all military drop. They're 11 feet. They're rated for 11 feet, but they can go 11 feet plus. You've seen these cases dropped out of helicopters and whatnot, and they survive. You normally would see them using the crash guard case. Now, I use this at times. You know, it depends on what I'm feeling for the day. And I'll drop a link up for this, but you've seen 100 of these. I'm not going to do another one. But these crash guard cases are kind of cool. Now, you know me, I normally rock the Pataka case because it's, you know, slim. But, you know, if I'm going somewhere where I know I may drop it or, you know, I just need some more protection, let's take a look at these. I've been using the carbon one because I'm pretty much hooked on carbon for the last couple of days. So let's open that guy first. You know, the packaging is their typical packaging. You know, it's pretty cool. You know, you pretty much get what you pay for. It's got the honeycomb on the inside to absorb the drop. You get a nice lip all the way around. As I can say, that's carbon fiber look. It's not real carbon fiber, but you get a nice carbon fiber look. And we'll drop the phone in. I got a skin on the back for when I want to go bare. And this is the dome glass screen protector in case, you know, you guys are wondering if it's compatible and whatnot. It is. You simply just pop it in and, you know, that's it. You get a nice raised lip around all edges. Your edge thingy works, whatever you want to call it. I forget what it's called these days. All your buttons work. They're very easy to press, unlike some of the other RhinoShield cases. People complained that they were hard. This one's much easier in my opinion anyways. You cutouts in the back for your cameras and your fingerprint reader and whatnot. Cutouts in your bottom. Now, pretty simple here. It's Google trying to butt in. So that's how it looks with the carbon. This one goes to 34. To me, it's worth it because it's got 11-foot drop, plus it looks cool. All right, now the other one I got is, this looks like just a standard black. Again, I'll show you the case. You QR code people, I'll drop the barcode so you can scan it. Actually, that's the carbon fiber one here. I'll show you this one. This one too. There you go. It's just a regular black case. This one, again, has the honeycomb. Now it's got your cutouts and whatnot as usual. I'm not going to go for every one of them, but just a standard black case as usual. Now you simply just pop it out. Nothing special to take this off. And slap that baby in. And it's as simple as that. And that's how it looks. This one I think is the cheapest one. I think you can get this one for like $24, I believe, $24.99. Again, I'm going to drop links for all SolidSuits. They come for the, unfortunately I don't have my iPhone X anymore, but I have a whole bunch of them. I'm going to see what I'm going to do with them. Maybe I'll do some kind of a giveaway. But yeah, they have Pixel XL2. I'm going to see if I can grab one to show you guys those. But now these are awesome cases. I've been liking them. You also got their typical crash guard, which is also an awesome case. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to drop links for all this down below. If you liked it, you know, give me a thumbs up, share it around, drop some comments down below if you got any questions. I'll be sure to answer them. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Peace.